tonight. Just threw on suit and like cover up clothes, and I have to finish packing because today we are going to Disney Aulani. The kids just put on their outfits. Presley. Hayden's got his swimsuit on too. Oh, Presley's ready to go. She's dancing back there. Don't hurt him. This was the list I made for the kids to do today. The kids' stuff is all laid out, so just gotta throw this all in a suitcase. Gotta throw my stuff in a suitcase.
Working on my fishing skills in a little boat that I'll rent. Ain't got nothing but time to kill. No vacation's been more heaven since.
All packed.
Between the sun and the deep blue sea. Tan and red, flat out on a beach bed. Between the sun and the deep blue sea. My feet in the sand.
Alright, pool bag is all packed up. We are ready to roll.
So Aulani is on the other side of the island from where we live, so it's a nice little staycation spot. The kids really love going, so every time that we're here, we usually go for at least one night so we can enjoy the pool and the water slides for 2 days. So we get to use it the day we check in, and you can stay the day that you check out. And this trip was extra special because our good friends were meeting us there too. This was Presley's best friend in preschool, and we all became friends, and we love hanging out every time we're back in Hawaii.
Oh wow, guys. We're back. Yeah?
There's a darkness that's happening.
Yeah?
Yeah! A white starfish. Be quiet! What up, Ashley?
You go check in? Who is that? Oh, you're giving him a hug? Are you allowed to do that?
Aulani!
Going up to our room. All right, let's do a little room tour. Here's the room. Yay! It definitely looks very similar to rooms we've stayed in before. Aw. I love the little lamp with the surfboard with ukulele Mickey.
This is a posted box.
Yeah. Let's see what the view is, guys. Hold, please.
Wait, what time is it, Mom?
Wow. We can see the golf course from here. Pretty.
Wait, we can see top golf and what?
Not Top Golf. Just the golf course. Ooh. Yes, Landon, I will. Presley, look what they left that you can wear in your hair. Pretty little flower. All right, let's see what the bathroom looks like in this one. Ooh. A nice big tub. I might need to take a bubble bath tonight. Oh, I don't know what my kids are doing, just killing each other. So I'll just be all to myself in the bathtub tonight. Aw, that's so cute.
Aulani!
Yay. Oh, it's so pretty here.
Gotta wait for Mommy. Mommy Aulani. Mommy Aulani.
Here comes London. up? Presley! Hey, hey!
Cheese, fries, carrots and celery sticks. That's a lot of ketchup.
Yeah.
And some ranch for the carrot and celery.
Nice.
I got this drink.
Ooh.
It's a lily koi.
Lily Koi Splash. Hayden got, let's see, Hayden got French fries and nuggets. Gonna share with Mama. And then what'd Sissy get?
I got mac and cheese with some apple slices and French fries with some ketchup, and then I got a drink over there.
Cool. Cheers.
Are they here?
Well, we made it down to the pool. Our friends are checking in right now. We were all hungry, and we have a dinner reservation later tonight over at Mina's. That is one of Landon's favorite restaurants. And our friends,
my favorite dessert.
it has Presley's favorite dessert. And our friends really wanted to try it. She was like, oh, my husband's going to love the menu. So we know we have that for dinner. So we're just going to eat lunch by the pool. Just got back from the pool, getting ready for dinner. And I made sure that I packed my IGK. This is their Good Behavior Spirulina Protein Smoothing Spray. Just a huge thank you to IGK for sponsoring today's video on my channel. I am so freaking obsessed with this stuff. It is basically a keratin treatment for your hair without any of those harsh chemicals. And it is just so easy. You just spray it from root to tip all over your damp hair. You can use it on dry hair as well because it has up to like 450-degree heat protection, and it just makes you have the smoothest, softest, silkiest hair ever. I love it because I know for me, if you want to see what my hair looks like when I just let it air dry naturally, inserting those pictures. And yeah, it's like frizzy, it's kinky, it's wavy, it's super damaged and fried looking, but I use this stuff and my hair always just looks perfect. And it's heat activated, so I'm just gonna use my blow dryer. All right, blow dried. I will just touch everything up with my flat iron though to make it just kind of extra silky smooth. But there you have it. Such a difference from when I let my hair air dry to when I use my IGK Good Behavior Smoothing Spray. Do you guys see just how smooth and shiny? It's so soft too. This stuff really is miracle hair in a can. So if you're ready for the best hair days you've had yet, get your IGK Good Behavior Smoothing Spray by either scanning the code that I have here on the screen or the link that I'm gonna have down in my description box below. And be sure to use my code Brianna25 for an exclusive discount. And just thank you again to IGK for sponsoring today's video and for all of the good hair days. Okay, here's the full dinner outfit look.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out.
Dinner was so good, and we had a belated happy birthday to Adeline.
Hey, hey.
And Hayden was very tired by the end of dinner, so we headed back to the room and crashed.
Good morning from Aulani. I just came down to get our chairs saved for the day. One thing I do not like about staying here, I feel like it is just a madhouse. If you come down, like the pool opens at 8 a.m. and people will be out here already camping out in the chairs, and they say like if you're not sitting in the chair before 8, like they'll take your stuff off of it. So it's kind of a little waiting game, like you sit, brought a book, waiting. And luckily, since they have the conjoined room, the kids wanted to sleep in, so they're just up there sleeping with everybody else. So I'm holding down the chairs for all of us.
The dark side walk. Oh, the rock one? Yeah. We're going to see. Hayden said he wants to do the rock dark side.
Okay.
Yeah, the one with no food.
Another perfect day. All right, Landon just got breakfast. What'd you get?
Cinnamon roll.
Oh my gosh. That has got a lot of icing. Wow.
We spent a lot of time in the pool and the hot tub, not pictured. The kids love going on the water slides here too. And then we all ended up in the lazy river, and I just ran and got my phone to just capture a little bit of it.
Yeah, see everybody. Sharing a towel. Well, we just did the lazy river and everyone is starving, so we're gonna go back to the chairs and order some lunch. I actually forgot to bring. Doing a burger, bunless burger, and some salad.
And I love how the characters walk around the pool area at Aulani. It's so magical.
Hi! Go give him a hug! Hayden, look!
And you can't come here without getting the Mickey Shave Ice. It is so cute.
My gosh, they're so cute.
So, let's see.
Oh, cool.
Mom, I want to do this. Yeah, I want to do it, but like with just goggles, no snorkel. I want my ice cream. Yeah, there's a lot of butterflies.
You know, everybody always likes to see gift shops, so we'll do a little look around. Oh, those are cute. Okay, these are adorable.
And this brought back so many memories. When the older two kids were little, this is where they would want to be all day when we'd come here. And it was really cute seeing them still enjoy it with Hayden.
Sissy, go down that way.
My dreams are turning real, so unreal. Do you like it better when the ocean's warm? Do you like it better
you have fun?
Yes, you have it.
Was it the best trip ever?
Yes, I
Presley,
What?
did you have fun?
Yes.
Best trip ever?
No. I was just
Well, I'm saying at Aulani.
Yeah.
Yeah. Landon, did you have fun?
Yeah.
Best trip ever?
Yeah.
We're just going home in our suits, so. Oh,
I was looking at her phone.
our ride's here. Bye, Aulani.
Bye, Aulani.
So much fun.
And pretty magical. Caught some rainbows on the drive home. A beautiful ending to a really special part of the trip.
See the rainbow. Beautiful.
Thank you all so much for watching today's vlog and being a part of our community here. I'm a single mom and I couldn't make any of these special memories for my kids without your support. So truly, thank you, thank you, thank you, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, loves.
Why don't you stay, 'cause I could really use a friend. Stay, please stay, 'cause my heart really needs a man. Somewhere, somehow, I guess I lost it all. Stay here with me. I'm trying to make it up for my mistakes. But everywhere I turn, some hearts will break. Some